So today's lesson again is a two-step type of problem. We're dealing with distributing, and again this number is a little tricky because all of a sudden it looks different than our other problems. If you guys need to, go ahead and rewrite it as -1/9 parentheses v plus 5 parentheses equals 6. Does this look more like the way that you're used to? Feel free to rewrite that. Either way it's going to work as long as you're doing it correctly. Now, again, we talked about distributing this to each number, but we felt like it took a little bit longer that way. So the opposite of distributing, which is multiplying, is what? What's the opposite of multiplying? Remember? Yeah.
Dividing.
Okay, dividing. Now this is even more tricky because we're dividing by a fraction. The opposite of instead of dividing fractions, what do you guys do instead?
Multiply by its reciprocal.
Yeah, multiply by its reciprocal. So I'm going to go ahead and basically multiply by the flip. I'm not going to forget my negative. So this is a -9/1 times a -9/1. These cancel. Don't forget to cancel. And then rewrite everything. V plus 5 equals, what's 6 times a -9? 6 times a -9. What did you get?
-54.
Very good. -54. Now that I'm here, all I have to do is get rid of a plus 5. The opposite of adding 5 is what? What's the opposite of adding 5?
Subtracting.
Yep, so we're going to write -5, cancel, v equals, now some of you might forget, -54 minus 5, leave, change, opposite. So it's a -54 plus a -5. What do you end up with?
-59.
Very good, a -59. So that's probably one of the more difficult type of problems that you'll deal with today. Going on to the next one. This teacher has 3 sheets of stickers. So if you guys were thinking about a bar diagram, it's basically splitting into 3 groups. He gave 20 stickers from each sheet. So you're going to take away 20 stickers, take away 20 stickers, and take away 20 stickers. At the end, he only has, and I'm just going to put it down here, 12 stickers left. Write and solve an equation to find out how many stickers were originally on the sheet. We don't know, so let's put stickers, stickers, and stickers. So on all 3 sheets, he takes off 20. In the end, when it's all combined, he only has 12. So how many did he start with? So instead, let's go ahead and write an equation. We have, how many of these do we have? How many little boxes do we have? Yep, 3. Times the stickers minus 20, because he gave 20 away from each sheet. This is going to equal, how much was left again? 12. That's your equation. Then you'd want to go ahead and divide by 3. Divide by 3. You would cancel, and you're left with s minus 20 equals 4. Then what am I going to do?
Plus 20 and
Plus 20, plus 20, cancel. So what does S actually equal? How much did each sheet originally start with? Yep.
24.
24. And so there was 24 stickers on each sheet when he started.